Hello guys, this is a review for CUCKOO rice cooker made in Korea. This rice cooker is good for a small family, but I'm gonna wash it first. Let's open it. Here, it's non-stick, made of Tefal. You have to be careful to wash with soft sponge like that. Has to be soft. So let's wash it first. And I wash the spoon also, the cups. As you can see, this is the measurement up to 6 cups. It comes with a measuring cup as well. So we are only 2. So I'm gonna use only 2 cups. Okay, I always wash the rice. You have to measure it with your finger. That's a traditional way. Just put it there. So it reaches up to here. So let's cook. This is the menu. It has lots of options. Quick cook, keep warm, keep reheat, timer. But I always use quick cook. If you see these things, it means it's cooking already. So let's wait for it to be cooked. Because I wanted half cook, I'm gonna make lubia polo, my Iranian food. Usually I do that. If it cut in half, it means it's half cooked. So I'm gonna get it. Put it here. Remove the water. I usually do that. For the rice to not stick together, I mix it with water. And then I'm gonna use it again inside the rice cooker. If you see this sign, it means there is no pot inside. So I'm gonna put it back. Okay, I will add little butter to it. That's my favorite food, lubia polo. It's a mix of beef and beans. So I add rice first. Then add again. Layering. So I do layering, rice, then beans and beef. Okay, I'm done. Let's wait for it to be cooked. Put the cover. Okay, the rice is being cooked. If you hear the beep, 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 it means it's being cooked. So let's see. Let's try. Oh, the rice is already soft. Let's try. That's perfect. The beans. Let's try the beans. That's good. Perfect. That's the texture. That's amazing rice cooker. If you want to go to work, you can just leave the rice here. Then after you come back, it's already been cooked, and it's make it keep warm. So your rice is like fresh. It's like ready to eat. Those are the other options: porridge, multi-cook, slow cook. You can just use it. It's very easy to use. As you can see, it did not burn the rice. It's non-stick. It's perfect.